Here is our garage floor prior to putting down the epoxy finish. Just above the drain to the left, you can see where we had to do some foundation work and patch the concrete. We have a video showing this process and recommend that you check it out. Here's the final look after putting down the epoxy finish. Keep watching to see how we accomplish this look. Instead of buying cleats to do this job, Tad made some homemade cleats for us and they worked perfectly. The overall process for applying the epoxy was straightforward. To start, we poured the mixture across the floor. Tad then used a squeegee to help spread it. I was using a roller brush to help even things out. I also used a paintbrush near the edges. With just the first coat, we noticed an instant transformation in hiding the imperfections in the floor. Here is the first coat done. After waiting a few hours, we were able to start putting on the second coat. Now for the fun part, it is time to put down the flake. We went with a black and white flake. At first, we were putting the material down lightly. By the end, we had so much left over that we went back through and put on a thicker layer of the flake. The next day, we sanded the floor for any loose flakes in preparation for the last step in this process. We even had enough to do the office and Tad's barn simultaneously as we were doing the garage. After we removed the excess flake, we put denatured alcohol on an old t-shirt and cleaned the floors. This helped ensure that no oils or anything was on the floor prior to applying the enamel. Then, finally onto the last step. Tad rolled the enamel on and then we were done. And here are the final results. This is Tad's office. And here is our garage. We are very happy with how the floors turned out. It was a pretty easy process and we highly recommend that you consider doing something similar in your space. Thank you for watching and we hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more action in our household.